Yo, I wanted to talk about stillness and how much it's helped me. So stillness is just being alone with your mind and observing the thoughts go by. It's not like doing anything else. It's just watching your thoughts go by and letting God's light shine on you. That's the best way I can describe it. So, ever since I've been doing the stillness, like I've had girls like more into me, like, and that's not the reason you do it, obviously, but it was just weird how like every connection was better just from doing stillness. Like I was, the girl gave me her number, and I never had that in a long time. I don't remember, but what how long it's been, but it's been a while. And then also my connections were a lot better. I was having more money coming into my life, and I mean, you shouldn't do, if you're doing it for that reason. That's very um, that's not good, because that's kind of like the prosperity gospel. Like if you like God, but like it's just a natural byproduct of being still. You know, God shining His light on me, and I learned more about myself just by being silent for an hour, one time, than I did in like months of striving for real. And I was just like, just so aware, like after that. And this is no glory to me. This is literally all God, because I can't, I can't do anything. Left to my own thoughts, I'll be thinking all demonic thoughts and all fleshly thoughts, you know. But God is shining His light on me, through this stillness, and so it's been such a great journey so far. I deactivated my Instagram, which is really helping me too. So I'm really thankful, and yeah, I'm just excited about like different things. Like before, I was excited about comments, likes on Instagram. Now I'm like excited about comments and likes on YouTube. No, I'm just kidding, but no, I'm excited about like different things, like connecting with people and stuff like that. So really fun. I just thought I'd share that with you. I've had more clarity in every single way, more peace than I ever have in a long time. So yeah, if you ever think about it, try to be alone by yourself and sit in silence for 5 minutes and see how it works for you if you want, but no pressure. All right. Talk to you later, guys.